What up, crypto lovers and enthusiasts? Happy day today. We're gonna take a look at Bitcoin because Bitcoin's having a red day. Okay, we're gonna take a look at what the charts tell us, and we're gonna take a look at just two altcoins: Jailbreak, because it's up over 100% in the last 24 hours, and Citadail, which is an interesting little play from the Griffith team. All right, and so without further ado, let's do this. All right, guys, so here we go. Let's do the quick analysis on Bitcoin. And as you can see, right here, I put this line right here, so you can see dropping. Now, what we have to do is get over that line. As far as I can tell, every time that we've touched it, right, gone up and touched it, it's gone down pretty strong. This one right here, boom, pretty strong. And then right today, yesterday and today, we're rejecting. Although we are kind of staying in this triangle, and maybe, just maybe, hopefully, we do stay in this triangle. And if we do, that shows strength. Okay, right now today that line is at $100,597, and the support is this ascending line, which today is at 97,400 and change. Remember, every day that number goes up just a little bit because this line is going up as well. Okay, so if Bitcoin can stay right here, right, and not have a drop like it did last couple of times, then I think, you know, before 26th of January, we break through and we're on the other side, ideally. Okay, if not, and if we lose it, then I can see us kind of dropping down and going down this line. This line right here touches this one, and that ends around the 21st of February. All right, so I think maybe a move before that, breaking through, should happen. Okay, so but hopefully it happens sooner in this little triangle and not over here in this little triangle, because I know people would be like, what the hell? But I mean, it's not out of the ordinary, right? And it could just be bouncing right here and playing right around here, and then eventually break up. Okay, eventually it will break up. We just don't know if it's here in the next couple of days or in the next couple of weeks, guys. Okay, but it will break through this as far as I see it. Hey, maybe even this week, ideally. Okay, because it hasn't dropped as hard as these, right? This big drop, right? This the next day, this big drop the next day, and look at this. It's been fighting all day. We see a wick and a small little body. So if that's the case, then I can see it even maybe tomorrow we're breaking through. Okay, so that's how I see that. DXY is helping. Things are dropping for the DXY. The 2-year bond yields also dropping. This is great. 10-year bond yields, great. We need to see that, all right? So that Bitcoin can have a nice big rally, break through this, and get on to the other leg. I don't think, right? I don't think Bitcoin is going to do this. This was like almost a year, but it could do a little bit longer, right? Hopefully not. Hopefully this is it, right? At any time, this thing could break through, go up, and be in the next area, the next leg up. Okay, which would probably be around 110, 120 area, somewhere around here is where I would see it, right? So let's see. Let's play it day by day. But that's how I see things. Really, nothing else aside from that has changed. Let's take a look at Bitcoin dominance. Bitcoin dominance has dropped some, well, a bit. So maybe we're back to this triangle, right? The top of this triangle is testing it for support. We'll do this, and we'll do this. All right, so let's see if it kind of hangs out right here for a little bit before going back up. I think Bitcoin dominance will go back up, and altcoins. That's good. The others market cap, good. So I mean, your altcoin should be doing a little bit better. Your portfolio should be up if you're altcoin heavy, low cap altcoin heavy, like a lot of us that watch this channel are. Okay, but there are some good deals. I mean, like the ones that I mentioned to you, Migos, Toshi's up right now. KeyCat's red. Dog and Me is red. Okay, those are what I would be looking at. Today is a day actually that there are some deals. Okay, there are some red deals. VibeCat, a lot of the ones that I've been mentioning to you. But today we're gonna take a look at two because I'm looking at Cat with Hat, and it's dropped. There's some FUD going on around bundled FUD going on around this project, saying the bundled wallets. That's the case. That's not good. And the market cap has dropped a lot. Let's see what happens. So it could be an opportunity, or it could just be that this is going to crap. But that volume is pretty high. I'm gonna do some homework on it. I'm gonna take a look and see what Twitterverse says, and put it through some things. Put it through agency and some other stuff to see what I feel about this project. But now let's go to the two ones that I wanted to mention. Jailbreak here. Jailbreakme, okay. Security, which crypto is much needed. And look at this, last 2 days, boom, nice big move up after it was consolidating, right? Sideways consolidating, tried to go up, didn't, drop back down. Here we go. It's kind of like a double bottom, reverse Adam and Eve, Eve and Adam. 13.8 million market cap. 15.6 million in volume, right? Pretty good project. I'm glad to see it off of this. This tells me something, right? This tells me that there was interest, right? The numbers looking great, and maybe this thing is got a lot more legs to go. But I mean, still pretty decent buy price. I mean, 13 million market cap. It's a low cap. Okay, so I mean, if this thing goes to 100 million, a little over 100 million, you got yourself a 10x right there, guys. Okay, even at these levels. Although maybe I would just wait for a little bit of red, kind of see where it consolidates, and then start nibbling in after you do your homework on it. It's a month and 7 days old, guys. Jailbreak. I did bring it to your attention before, but because it's been doing this, I haven't really talked about it much because it's just consolidating, right? I mean, that's actually the best time to buy. So if you've been watching it, then I mean, hopefully you bought right around here. All right, and the next one that is intriguing. It was brought to my attention before, and I wish I would have paid attention a little bit more when it was here, when it was doing this. But I'm like, oh man, this thing went up, and all of a sudden it dropped like that. But look what happened. You know, how long was this? 17 days. All right, 17 days of doing that, and then all of a sudden it just woke up and it started moving up, guys. Okay, 2 days up, red, boom, up. 4 days of red, now it's moving back up. Maybe, just maybe, this thing will come back down and you can catch it at a lower market cap. 28.1 million market cap, 3.6 million in volume. It's called Griffin New Hedge Fund. Okay, Citadail on Solana. Okay, what does it say about it? Citadail, AI-driven autonomous hedge fund on the blockchain out of the Griffin group. Griffin is a AI agent infrastructure play. Griffin.com, okay, and they made this hedge fund. So I mean, it comes from a good pedigree. Interesting play, and still pretty low cap, 28.1 million in market cap. All right, so if you're looking for something different, like a hedge fund, here you go, AI hedge fund right here. Right, and I think that's it. We're gonna leave it there. All right, so take a look. Let me know what you guys think about that stuff, guys. And let's see what happens if Bitcoin continues, or if in these couple of days it kind of breaks through that line and we go up higher. Hopefully that's the case. But hey, you got to take it day by day and see what the data tells us tomorrow. Okay, guys, if you can, please like, please subscribe, please leave a comment. I'm trying to grow this channel, and all that stuff really does help. With all that said, I will see you guys tomorrow. Have a good one. Peace.
Clubs, drugs, pubs, and parties.